Hi and welcome to Cycle Maintenance Academy. My name is Arek and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace a gear cable on a Sturmey Archer grip shifter. Okay, let's start. Tools required. 3mm Allen key. Small flathead screwdriver. PTFE or silicone grease. It is important to use plastic-compatible grease, as petroleum-based greases like lithium grease have a tendency to accelerate the degradation of rubber and plastic parts. Removing the gear cable. Turn the shifter to the highest gear. Number 3. Remove the gear outer. Use a 3mm Allen key to loosen the clamp bolt. And move the shifter out to push out the handlebar grip. Make sure that the shifter is positioned slightly protruding from the handlebar before tightening the clamp bolt. Have a look at the end of the shifter. There are 2 tabs securing the grip. Press them inward gently and slide the grip off. Move the shifter body to its original position and tighten the clamp bolt. Remove the cable cover and remove the cable from the cable outlet. Slide the cable drum out slightly to reach the cable head. And remove the cable. Fitting the new cable. If the shifter spring and the indicator plate come loose while removing the cable drum, you'll need to reassemble them before proceeding. Remove the cable drum from the handlebar. Remove the indicator plate and the spring. Grasp the indicator plate and insert it back into the slot on the shifter. Using a flathead screwdriver, position it on the protruding pad of the indicator plate and push upwards until number 3 appears on the indicator. Now it's time to refit the spring. The 2 ends of the spring are asymmetrically bent, with one end curving more than the other, creating a hook. Insert the end with less curvature into the slot on the cable drum. Place the cable drum onto the shifter body so that the cable hole is at the top, but hold off pushing it all the way in. Thread the new cable through the hole in the cable drum. Notice 3 grooves on the shifter body. Position the cable drum so that the hooked end of the spring aligns with the rightmost groove. Guide the cable through the cable outlet. Add a small amount of grease to the cable outlet and indexing. Reattach the cable cover by sliding the protruding pad at the bottom into the small hole on the shifter body, and ensuring that the top of the cable guide fits snugly into the cable outlet. Reinstall the grip by aligning the tab on the grip with the indicator on the shifter body. Replace the handlebar grip. And that's it! You have successfully replaced a gear cable on a Sturmey Archer 3-speed grip shifter. Thanks for staying with me all the way to the end, and don't forget to let me know in the comments below how you got on replacing a gear cable on your Sturmey Archer grip shifter. If you want to support the channel, then as always, please subscribe, like the video and share it with your friends. And if you want to support it even further, then consider a small donation through the Super Thanks button below the video. Thanks so much, and see you soon!